Same-sex couples across Virginia have been celebrating now that they can legally get married in Virginia, but the Supreme Court completely avoided setting a nationwide precedent, and that lack of action has many questioning the political and legal implications. NBC 29's Alana Austin went looking for answers today. She has the story from our state capitol newsroom. Hi, Alana.
Hi, Casey. And our political and legal analysts will point out here that public opinion continues to grow in favor of legalization of same-sex marriage, but the incentives might be there for politicians and even the Supreme Court justices to stay out of it. Couples in Virginia, heterosexual or same-sex, can now marry equally under the law. The Supreme Court's inaction on hearing several appeals cases Monday means gay marriage is now permitted in 30 states and the District of Columbia. The total hit 32, plus the District of Columbia, when a federal appeals court struck down bans in Nevada and Idaho. But while gay rights advocates celebrate, others say the passiveness of the Supreme Court ultimately tramples over states' rights.
The Supreme Court should continue to respect the right of the people and the right of the states to affirm marriage as they so choose.
Not so fast, according to legal and political analyst Paul Goldman. He thinks the justices, conservative or liberal, stand to gain by dragging their feet.
There's no necessary reason for the Supreme Court to get into this political thicket right now. Let the law stand where it is as it's developing. See what happens. If the court were to get into it and has a split, controversial decision, how does it really help the Supreme Court as an institution?
Goldman predicts the Supreme Court will let the lower courts hear the arguments, and then if a more conservative finding is reached, then they can take up the issue.
What I see happening here, the law is developing faster than people thought. The speed of the change is really caught a lot of people by surprise.
As far as having an impact on elections and voters, Goldman thinks other issues like economics and health care will still draw more attention.
The law is moving in a certain direction. Conservative lawyers and politicians may not like it, but at the same time, it might not be worth anybody to try to stand in the way of it.
And today, Governor Terry McAuliffe signed an executive order demanding that all state agencies be in compliance with the new law and update their policies. And he says that the times have changed and these state organizations will need to offer the exact same benefits to same-sex as well as traditional married couples.
Alana Austin live in Richmond tonight. Thank you, Alana.